What are we doing? We will be building a 270 degree times 270 degrees awning side fit for a 4x4. Right, so the basic idea was doing that, building a bracket out of that. I decided to not use the one hole, no bad counting or whatever. Basically what I took is a standard off-the-shelf 300 by 300 by, there we go, 4mm, 5mm, 4mm base plate. Cut that section out, that's blown away now, and bent it, drilled the holes. Then what the idea is, that is a what 12mm tubing. It's gonna slot in there, obviously with a bolt going straight through. This will be going through that, welded all the way around. That's going to be the arms. So it's going to have a swing, and then over that will be an additional bracket with an additional tube with an additional swing, because I want 4 arms instead of the additional 3. Just seems to give more shade, maybe a meter or so more, and I reckon that's going to work out pretty damn well. Let's see what happens. Right, so the basic principle of this is now small tubing, like I showed earlier, bolt the hole through the bigger one, that bolt goes in there. Now there's a bit of play that will be made up with bushes and washers and tensioning and all that, but at the end of the day it's not about how sturdy it is while it's packed away, it's about how sturdy it is once it's been opened up. So I'm pretty happy with the result. Clearance all the way around, pretty good. Next test or next step will be to create a stay on the bottom end of this tubing. A stay somewhere along this length to prevent the tubing from bending with the awning attached to it, and the wind and the weight, or this is never going to hold. It will never hold. So I have to now create a stay of some sort, either with the smaller tubings or with the bigger ones. I'll do the test right now and see what the result is. That'll never work. I'm guessing halfway. Should just about good. Okay, so after battling a bit with the welding and getting it fit, I've tack welded it there, full welded it there. That's the bracket. Basically this is representing the vehicle. That's the bracket, it's attached. And the idea is that you can swing it, and that's basically it. You can have a proper swing. At this stage, it's swinging pretty damn far. Obviously, when the second one comes in to there, it's going to limit the swing until it hits, or not hit, until it reaches that point, and it will stop swinging. But that's basically the idea. And the other ideas for the staggering is that it can then fold over each other. So let's get cracking and see what happens. So here's the progress. The bracket has changed slightly, okay, quite a lot. The insert is there. It's got a free swivel, and the third arm so far is swiveling in there. Swivels quite well. The fold up pretty damn good. Now just to build the fourth arm quickly. Right, so 4 poles, 4 legs, 4 arms, call it what you like. This again representing the vehicle. The bracket, I had to reinforce that a little. You see there, I welded in a 5mm plate. It started bending a little. And I also added a gusset, where is it, there, as an extra reinforcing. So what I've done, I've taken a couple of pieces of string, attached it to the ends, representing the canvas that I'll be using. So the idea is quite simple. You start rolling it out. That works. So I'm limited by some obstacles, but there you have it. Holding it away is simple as that. See if we can't place this camera somewhere.